Sometimes you need to edit an existing list. The process depends on what you want to edit. You could either change one of the values or add a new one. Steps for both are slightly different, and that's what we will take a look at in this video. We have this file from one of the earlier videos where we had created 3 lists. In case you're interested to see that after this video, I will leave the link in the description. Now the first list contains product names. Now let's say we want to make a change to one of the existing values. For instance, the company decided that instead of calling it phones, they will call them smartphones. The list in column B refers to the values in cells F2 to F4. So it is very easy to make this change. All we need to do is change the text to smartphone. Now if you look at the drop downs, the value is updated. However, one caution. The previous instances of the word phone don't change. If you need to update those, you will need to either manually change them or use the find and replace utility. Let's look at the second method where we add a new product to our list. Let's add desktop. Now there are 2 ways in which people usually make this change. The first one is where you're aware of where all do we have the drop down. So in that case, we will select all the values that have the drop down. Go to the data menu, click on data validation and update the source values. Press OK. And the new value appears in the list. As you can see, this was very simple to do. Now sometimes we don't know or we may forget to select all the cells where the same drop-down is. How do we proceed in such scenarios? Let's add one more product, speakers, and work our way through it. I'm just going to select one of the cells and go to data validation. Make changes to the source value. And then select this box here. As soon as you select, all the other cells where we have this drop down get selected too. Now all that is remaining is to press OK. Now if you see, this new value starts to appear in the drop downs. So that's how you edit an existing drop down or a list. Hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.